Hello guys, today's installment is going to be installing a wrap on a 4010 Duo iCharger. This is the wrap that you'll be getting. Comes in the vinyl like this. We'll start off with this little section here. Just peel this off. Pull this to the side. With this vinyl you won't need to use adhesive fluid. What I like to do is take this little line here and this little line and kind of line up the wrap with it. Once it's lined up real good, don't push it down all the way yet until you get everything down. Then you take this edge and kind of follow this contour with this vinyl with your finger here. That'll help mold the vinyl. Once it's down, then you just kind of slowly use your finger to bring it around. When you get to this corner here, it's a little tricky because it's got a really sharp concave area. Some people want to just go ahead and cut it. I like to work it down with my thumb. The heat of my thumb is just enough to kind of mold the vinyl around that edge. There you go. And that's that side. For the middle section, you want to use your choice of application fluid. I like to use this stuff called Rapid Tack. Again, you can use stick-on, or some people even use Windex. I've never used it myself, so I couldn't tell you the properties of that. Another good idea is to mix a little bit of dish fluid and water. That's sufficient. Just a tiny bit of dish soap, though. More like a maybe a 10-to-1 ratio of 10 water, 1 fluid. For this middle section, what you want to do is you want to line up the circles. Don't worry about the square where the monitor goes. Just make sure the circles are lined up and everything should fall into place. Once you have the circles positioned with the fluid, you kind of just push it up so that it meets up in this middle ridge here. Now for this particular case, the display ribbon is in the way, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut the vinyl somewhere in the middle there, just so I can go underneath the ribbon. Once you lay this down, I'll go underneath the ribbon. Go. And just kind of line up the vinyl where you cut it. Then you're going to take a paper towel and just kind of wipe all that excess fluid. Remember, you don't want to put too much fluid because you don't want to get fluid inside the little cracks there. Just put enough fluid so that you have room to reposition the vinyl. And because it's wet, it's going to take you a little bit to really get it down there. But it will go down. Stay persistent. And there you go.